Hello, I'll give you a quick review of this nice and well built timer. It has kind of specific instructions on how to set it up so that the bell will ring well. If not, the clock actually, or the timer actually still works good, but you won't be able to hear the bell ring very good. So, getting right into this, it's a nice metal outside here, stainless steel. The rest is plastic, and then you have a nice magnet here, so you could stick it on a stove, fridge, or something like that. But again, just the outside here is metal, but it's really nice and heavy. I'm assuming this is a mechanical timer. And that's kind of why you have to do the kind of strange but very easy winding. And what's good about it though is if, per se your power goes out or anything like that, this will still, function quite well. So to set this up, we need to first go all the way around to 0. And then we'll go backwards to whatever we want. Say 30 minutes, I'd set it right there. But I'm going to put it on 2 minutes here. And then what's cool about that is in 2 minutes, then the alarm will go off. Now, like I say, you can just twist it whatever time you'd like, and that'll still time, but the bell won't ring, is the thing to remember about this. Again, it's got the nice cool magnet here that you could put onto a fridge or a stove or anything like that. I'll take some pictures of it mounted, in various places on my kitchen. Well, again, it's a pretty well built product here, and it does seem to function quite well. I've tested it quite a few times. It rings pretty loud, and I could hear it throughout my house. So thank you for watching, and hopefully this helps you decide whether to purchase this or not. I got this off Amazon and came very quickly.